A meal shared is a blessing multiplied. So let's continue to spread light, nourish souls, and uplift people in need. Today we are Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan team preparing hot meals for lunch for the needy and displaced people in the north of Gaza Strip. Believe me, every donation counts in providing essential meals for the displaced families in Palestine. So don't miss this opportunity to give. Seeing the young heart shines and making them happy is our main goal. We arrived to the Rafidin shelter in the north of Gaza Strip in Sheikh Radwan to distribute the meals. Thanks for being there for us.
شكرا على الوجبات وجزاكم الله خير.
نشكر مؤسسة خدمة على هذه الوجبات.